Welcome, my dear friends. This is Santi Ghosh. Today we will discuss artificial intelligence versus machine learning. This video will be very exciting and in very simple language. My dear friends, artificial intelligence and machine learning are the two very hot buzzwords nowadays. This is the very advanced technologies and artificial intelligence is the future. So everybody we should know what is artificial intelligence and machine learning, what is the difference. Artificial intelligence is a top branch of computer science. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. In simple words, artificial intelligence enables the machine to think. That's the computer system. Machine learning, the machine learn from data using statistical techniques. Agenda. What is artificial intelligence? Its branches and types. Technologies used in artificial intelligence. What is machine learning and types? Supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. Different techniques used in machine learning. I'll give examples from day-to-day machine learning applications. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. It enables the machine or computer system to think like a human. AI branches, robotics, natural language processing, that's the NLP, machine learning, ML, expert systems, artificial neural network. There are three types of artificial intelligence: narrow or weak. Examples are like self-driving cars, Alexa, Siri, Sophia, Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube video recommendations, Amazon buying recommendations, Grammarly, etc. Then general or strong AI, research is going on in this area and our AI applications now in narrow or weak AI and general and strong AI. We have not reached the ultimate of strong AI. Super intelligence, artificial super intelligence, that is the ultimate of AI, my dear friends. Now, technologies used in AI. Artificial intelligence technologies, visual recognition, vision, speech recognition, natural language processing, NLP, expert systems, robotics, machine learning. I will go through details in this video. Machine learning, deep learning, neural network. This is a subset of machine learning. Now, what is machine learning? See, learning is a key element of intelligence. This holds good both for natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. My dear friend, in machine learning, machine learn from data. The roots of machine learning are in statistics, which can also be thought of as the art of extracting knowledge from the data. Machine learning, there are three types: supervised learning, human teaching machines; unsupervised learning, learning without a teacher; reinforcement learning, commonly used in self-driving cars and games. That is combination of supervised and unsupervised learning, also called as semi-supervised learning. Now I will describe supervised learning. That's the human teaching machines, like a teacher teaching a student. Here student is the computer or machine. Examples I'll give in very simple terms so everybody will understand. Suppose we are given an input like a photograph of a cat or traffic sign, and the task is to predict the correct output or label, that is whether it is cat or not. Or in case of traffic sign, speed limit, stop sign, etc. This answer is in the form of yes or no. So our input is a photograph of a cat. We feed lot of photographs to the computer or machines, and through its data processing, image processing, it recognizes whether it is a cat or not. If you show a picture of a dog, it will show no, this is not a cat. Traffic signals, speed limits, stop signs, etc. These also feed into computers or machines, and it recognizes through its image processing system whether it is stop sign, speed limit, etc. This will be very useful our self-driving car. I will explain in later slides. Now data sets whatever are available, that is split into two parts in machine learning. One is training data, another one is test data. First, we train the algorithm using only the training data. This gives us a model or a rule that predicts the output based on the input variables. Test data confirms whether machine algorithm is trained effectively or not. Now I will describe unsupervised machine learning. My dear friends, this is a complex system. There are no labels or correct output. The task is to discover the structure of the data. Example, grouping similar items from cluster. It recognizes from the pattern. It uses algorithm to analyze and cluster unlabeled data sets. It discovers hidden pattern of data grouping without human intervention. My dear friend, live examples are YouTube video recommendations. Based on your past viewing, whatever pattern is formed, it recognizes and it recommends the videos of your choice. Amazon buying recommendation. This is also a very good example of unsupervised machine learning. Now, reinforced machine learning, also called it semi-supervised machine learning. Very good examples, self-driving car must operate in an environment and feedback about good or bad choices is available with some delay. Here, supervised machine learning system, it gives lot of pictures about cat, human, traffic, everything is fed to the computer, and from that it learns. And lot of statistical techniques are used. If crowded traffic is there, which route it will take. So that statistical techniques, it enables the machine to take a decision. So it is a reinforced machine learning. Also very good examples of games where outcome is decided at the end of the game. My dear friend, There are various techniques used in machine learning. I'll describe 3 techniques used so you will understand. Linear regression analysis, prediction of click rates in online advertisement, demand of products, box office revenue of movies, crime rates, real estate prices. So it uses the statistical techniques. Logistic regression analysis, application or example, pass or failure of students of a particular course based on study hours. The nearest neighbor classifier, you are well aware that video recommendations based on your behavior of the past viewing. So it recommends video based on user behavior, buying pattern of your previous purchases. So buying recommendation based on previous purchases by Amazon is a very good example, my dear friend. My dear friend, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like this video. And if you need whatever topic of your choice in artificial intelligence,